Welcome to our Reviews Value Realization series. In this video, we'll explore Yotpo's Shareable Review Request Link feature. My name is Yakov, Enterprise Customer Success Manager at Yotpo for 2 years, and I will guide you through this video. In today's competitive market, authentic and high-volume customer reviews are the key to driving trust and conversions. At Yotpo, we're committed to helping brands collect, manage, and showcase the reviews that matter most. Introducing the Shareable Review Request Link, a powerful tool that puts your best customer feedback right at your fingertips. Here's how it works. With Yotpo's Shareable Review Request Link, you can effortlessly generate a direct link to any of the customer reviews. It could be a site review or a product review. It can be shared in emails, on social media, on the brand's website, after a customer service call, or even via a QR code in events or on delivery packages, making it easier for customers to submit a review quickly and effortlessly. Aside from the ease of generating the link and the comfort it brings to our brands, the Shareable Review Request Link enables merchants to gather user-generated content from virtually any customer touchpoint. By providing seamless access to review submission forms, brands can enhance visibility, boost engagement, and significantly increase the volume of reviews collected. The Shareable Review link offers several key benefits. For example, easy sharing. The Shareable Review link allows brands to generate a direct URL to individual reviews, making it easy to share specific feedback requests via email, WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, TikTok, and more. There's a review verification process. Once a customer submits a review, it goes through a verification process, where confirmed email addresses are matched with purchase history. Verified reviews receive badges, and verified buyer or verified reviewer eligible for syndication on Google Shopping, Facebook, and Google Seller Ratings, enhancing trust and visibility. There's also easy link generation. Effortlessly generate a direct link for shoppers to write reviews via a landing page. And of course, seamless integration. It works across emails, websites, social media platforms, and other channels. In fact, between January and July of 2024, every month, on average, over 350 brands successfully use this feature, showing a steady demand for its impact on driving engagement and trust. Now let's review some case studies. Everyday Dose uses the Shareable Review Request link at the end of their checkup email campaign that is sent after a month from purchase. The campaign is sent via Klaviyo in addition to the automatic review request emails, which is sent 5 days after delivery. They saw from this an increase in review collection. The total number of reviews they collected by this feature is higher than 20,000. Olive & June uses the Shareable Review Request link for product seeding by embedding it in emails sent to targeted groups of customers via their own email tool. They observed a significant increase in engagement with better email performance and conversions, both in the quantity and quality of reviews collected. Noting that the setup was straightforward and intuitive, they attributed it to the nativeness of the email being very consistent with their brand's look and feel. Andy Krafison from Olive & June said, "It fits everything so seamlessly. It allowed our product team to have those links ready in case people reach out that they don't receive the review request email." The Shareable Review Request link is available for all Yotpo plans across all platforms. It's important to note that the manual generation has a limitation. Personalized links must be created individually for each review. In addition, the customer verification process will apply only to orders from the last 12 months. Here's a short recap. The Shareable Review Request link increases customer trust, engagement, and conversion by making it easier for brands to collect high-quality, authentic reviews. How do we do it? Through the Shareable Review Request link that allows brands to generate direct review submission links that can be shared across multiple channels, including email, social media, websites, or even physical QR codes. This feature integrates seamlessly into existing workflows and helps gather user-generated content from any customer touchpoint. And as a result, boosted review collection volume, with case studies that show significant improvements in engagement and conversions. Everyday Dose collected over 20,000 reviews using the feature in campaigns. Olive and June observed better email performance, improved review quality, and seamless integration with their brand experience. Yotpo's Shareable Review Link is a versatile, impactful tool for driving review collection, building trust, and growing customer loyalty. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.